What's up, Coaster Spotters? This is Alex checking in from Dorney Park in Wildwater Kingdom on June 4th for another update of Seaside Splashworks and the park in general as it hopefully gears up to open sometime in July. You can see a lot of rides actually need to be put back together still, such as the Ferris wheel, Cedar Creek Flyers, Apollo, but over in the water park you can see that the wave pool is actually testing on this day. The rest of the water park looks like they have been prepping it, getting rid of all that stagnant water, cleaning things. So that is very nice to see. But let's go over to Seaside Splashworks and compare it to the Google Maps from a few years ago. I forgot or just neglected to notice that on the left there in the straight section, there is a structure over it. There was a tunnel where you could be splashed by water as you went through it. That has been removed. I did not notice that last time, but that's unfortunate. And also, when you were on the island itself, there's that little waterfall area that kids or adults could get drenched by. I'm assuming maybe it just got in the way of the new play area and had to be removed. Who knows? That's unfortunate, though. It was fun to go through it on a tube. But moving on, in a moment, you'll be able to hear those guys at the bottom of the screen working on the Wildwater River, the park's second lazy river. Looks like they're just doing a bunch of repairs. Probably not much to talk about, just resurfacing. Things like that have to be done periodically. And those big trenches that you see in the corner on the bottom, those are just intake for the water to be filtered through and whatnot. But as far as the structure goes, it looks like it's pretty much complete. A green slide has been installed. Some more additional details have been installed since last time. Also, you can see those umbrella structures to the right of the play area have been installed, as well as some on the other side of the island. This just replaces some older structures that they used to have. Looks like they actually provide more shade than they did before. And here is the park in general. As we can see, testing in that wave pool, some vehicles driving around the water park, and the wave swinger that's very much not put back together. But I think that's about going to do it. I'm not going to comment on when the park is going to open. Who knows? We do know that the Cedar Fair parks, such as Worlds of Fun, Cedar Point, and Kings Island, all are opening between late June and early July. So hopefully, if Lehigh County can get out of the yellow phase, which it just went into on Friday, a day after this was recorded, then there's hope. Now, Kalahari up in the Poconos is actually opening on the 12th, despite it being in a yellow phase still. So I'm not sure how they're opening, but maybe that's why they're putting so much work into getting the water park ready. I don't know. Not trying to start any kind of conspiracies here, just pointing it out. But thank you so much for watching the Coaster Spot. This has been Alex. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Be sure to check out a lot of videos next week going down to the south to Dollywood and Six Flags Over Georgia. Look out for those.